Hello everyone, I'm Wes Folds, and I'm going to be talking to you today about your camera QC image upload for your IAC accreditation application. The first thing we want you to upload are your daily floods for your QC. You'll see on the left-hand side integral and differential uniformities, as well as on the right-hand side. These are two different systems, QC images that you can submit. If you're unable to submit the actual values for the integral and the differential QC, we would like you to submit, at the very minimum, the uniformity flood image so that we can determine there are no non-uniformities associated. This is an example of the bar phantom. These are very straight linear lines. This is something we would expect to see in both head 1 and head 2. For your center rotation images, we do not want just 32 frames of a point source. We would like to see the graphs showing the X and the Y axis, and you see that on both of these images that are representative of two different systems that you can use. If you're using CZT technology, there are certain cameras out there where you do not get, and they do not perform bars or COR on these, of course. So your graphs, your daily system test is this image here that we would expect to see submitted for all of your QC for any of the CZT technology. When it comes to your PET CT, we want to see your daily system test or your blank scan. For the PET CT, we want to see the daily system test and blank scan and the CT phantom imaging. This is an example of the daily system test. For the PET, you can see that they're on the right-hand side. It says where everything's green, that would be an indication that it has passed. Again, the same thing. Everything is green here. That is an indication that it is all passed. And on the bottom right-hand side, you see PET daily full QA alignment. Everything shows that it is passed there as well. Any of these would be acceptable for your daily system test for your PET imaging. If you're doing PET CT, we want to see your CT phantom imaging, something similar to this, or if you're performing a water phantom, we would like to see that as well. As we move into the case study image upload, you do this in the online account portal. So as you log in, you click on the applications tab. You'll see your application number here, and you'll see locked uploading cases. This briefcase right here is where you upload your case study images as well as the QC images that we're speaking of today. When you click on that, you'll scroll down to the very bottom. Here you'll see QC phantom images. An image upload icon key is here. This kind of walks you through how the stages will progress and how you will finish and complete this. Here you can actually refresh each time that you've uploaded something to see where you're at in the process. So we'll push start. QC images is what we're uploading. We'll click continue. We'll add a folder, CD, DVD, or USB. Select that, or this one, either one, and upload. Click upload. These are the 6 files that are going to be listed. We will click upload selection. And it says right here, thank you, you're done. You may now close this tab. So we'll close that tab. We'll scroll back down to the summary page. And if you click on check case status, you will see that it has started processing. So we're into the second step. This takes a few minutes, so you may have to click refresh a few times before you get to the verify stage. We're going to click it now and see where we're at. Again, still processing. It does take a few minutes to get there sometimes. So don't let that alarm you. You may go ahead and start uploading other case studies while you're waiting for this. Check it again, and it's ready to verify. So we'll click on the verify. And it says right here, I have reviewed the case study and verified the images that match the final report submitted, or in this case, the QC images that you want to upload. You can download them, look at them, make sure they are the right ones that you want to upload for that camera. You'll click on this saying you have reviewed them, and then you will click approve images. If they're not the ones you want to do, you may click replace images and replace them at that time. But once you click approve images, You're finished doing this from the image share portal, and it'll take you back to the summary page. If you'll click on check case status again, obviously it's still waiting and verifying the case studies are being uploaded. It does take a few minutes to complete this. And then when you click on it again, of course, it has said complete and you're finished uploading the case study QC images. We hope this has been beneficial to you and helping you understand a little bit better how the upload goes for the QC images. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to give us a call at 1-800-838-2110, and they can direct you to the appropriate person to talk to about helping.